Hello everybody, Ravi here with my Rite haul for the week of July 28th to August 3rd of 2024. Hope you guys have a great day. Today, it was an amazing day for me, so I have to talk about this amazing scenario. Alright, so I want to first thank Kathy on my Telegram for sharing her deal. She did the Differin deal, and she posted a picture with the different products. and it also jogged my brain to, come up with some different scenarios so I can share them with you guys for a possible low out-of-pocket, or, if you want to grab the Differin, if that's your thing, go right ahead and do that, because this is a fire deal. And you can get all of these, expensive skincare products for, less than $10, which is ridiculous. This is literally $60 a basket before coupons and getting your bonus cash back, and you're going to get it for under $10. So that is amazing. And then I also have to thank my amazing followers, Galina, Meghna, Tammy, and also my aunt for sharing their birthday Rite coupons with me, or anniversary coupons. It was like a combination. So I was so thankful, because that really helped me out in getting these deals even better. So I'm going to tell you guys what, I use a 10 off 40 for all of these transactions. If you don't have it, it's still a pretty good deal. Don't skip this deal if these are, your things. I'm possibly thinking about, selling one of the Cetaphil or two, just because that'll make me, completely free or whatever. And, it can get out to people that actually need it and use it, right? I mean, I can't use all of these items, but this is just too fire. So yeah, thank you so much to everyone that has, shared their stuff with me in the Telegram group, on Instagram. It really helps me out, and also on YouTube as well. I do go through some of your comments. I haven't responded to a lot of them, but I do go through them, so be patient with me. There's a lot of new things going on with me right now. There's a lot of changes that are happening, in my life, and then also with the Rite as well. So I have been a little bit distant, and yeah, we'll make things work. So in order to, follow this deal, you can check out my Telegram group. Kathy posted her breakdown, and she bought different products. So she bought 3 of these different, what is this called? Acne skin patches. And then she bought the 5-ounce this green box that you see right here. It's the 5-ounce one. Yeah. So that was actually a great deal, because, with that different thing is a limit of 2 offers on Ibotta, and this one was a limit of 3 offers on Ibotta. So if you buy 5 of the different products, you can use 4 printable different coupons, and then 1 load to cart coupon. So that's $15 in savings there, and then you get your Ibotta rebates back. So I think Ibotta rebates for different, that skin patch thing was $2.75 each, and then this one was, I'm gonna say $3.50. So that would be getting $7 back there, and little under $9 back for that. So that's pretty good there. And you're going to get back the $10 back when you buy $50 worth of product, as well as the $10 when you buy 30, $10 when you buy 30. Limit of 2 offers per card, obviously. So the Cetaphil and Differin are part of the same deal. That's why you guys can see I bought Differin and Cetaphil in the same transaction, because I want to maximize my savings and maximize my Ibotta rebates and maximize my cash out. You guys know I like to maximize things too. So alright, so she did that. You can do that as well. I only found 1 box at my store. The rest of them were the 4-ounce, which does not qualify for the Ibotta rebate. So I had to mix and match. I picked up this other Differin thing too. That was $20 regular retail. My goodness gracious, guys. We'll get to that later. Let's talk about the deals one by one. And yes, I did do 6 transactions on 6 different cards. So yeah, I had to roll all my bonus cash on all my cards. So I want to let you guys know that from the beginning. So, you can pick and choose which ones you want to do, or, whatever makes it easier for you, okay? So yeah, have fun with it. That's what I did too. I was in the store, but I had fun with it. I did spend yesterday printing all these coupons out before I went, and I'm glad I was able to find all the items that I really wanted. Alright, so let's talk about the first transaction. For the Differin, I purchased 3 of those patches at $11.99 each, and I used the $3 printable coupons for each one. Alright, and then this Cetaphil, it's the mattifying moisturizer. Alright, so this is actually $17.49 in the store, but what I did is I asked for a price match to Rite.com. Some stores will allow it, some stores won't. I don't know what your store allows. I'm just letting you guys know that the store that I went to was able to do price match for me based on Rite.com. So that was a $12.49 online price. So I got $5 in savings there, which is amazing. Okay, so that was awesome. Alright, so $11.99, $11.99, $11.99, $12.49, $12.49. And I told you guys to use the $3 coupons for the Differin, and then the $2 coupons for the Cetaphil. Those are also the printable coupons as well. Alright, so that's what you have. And then I did use the 10 off 40 coupon that the followers sent me, so thank you guys. Alright, so my subtotal comes to $37.95 for those 5 items. I surprisingly had no tax, which was really mysterious. Usually these things are taxable, but all of them were not, so I don't know what that means. That was very interesting. Alright, so I just paid $37.95 and I got back $30 in bonus cash. So $10 for buying $30 worth of Differin-t Cetaphil, $10 for buying $30 worth of Differin-t Cetaphil. So as you guys can see right there, those are the names of the brand. Alright, so it's a cost of $7.95 for the first transaction, but we're not done yet because we have Ibotta rebates. So you're going to get back $2.75 for the Differin times 3. So there you go there. And then you'll get back $2 for the Cetaphil moisturizers for each one, so that's $4 there. Alright, so what is it? I think it's $8.25 and right, am I right? Is my math right? Yeah, so it should be $8.25 for the Differin, and Cetaphil will give me back $4, and if you buy 2 Cetaphil, you'll get an additional bonus of 75 cents, which I did get back for buying 2 Cetaphil, so that was amazing. So that's $13 and I bought rebates back, which makes that completely free plus a money maker. And if you don't have the 10 off 40 coupon, then obviously, you know, it's going to be under $5 for those 5 items. Back to school is really cheap. So that was an amazing deal there. Okay, moving on, let's talk about the next transaction. So this transaction, I had that acne facial cleanser, so that was $14.49 at my store, as you guys can see right there. And then I picked up the mattifying moisturizer from Cetaphil. That was only one at $12.49. And then the acne patches, I picked up 3 of them. So there you go. I used the 4 coupons for the Differin for $3 off each, $2 for the moisturizer from Cetaphil, $10 off 40 coupon, makes my subtotal $38.95. And yeah, that's what I paid in bonus cash, and I got back $30 in bonus cash. Makes it $8.95 for me. And then I got back the $3.50, the $8.25, right, and then the $2 back for the Cetaphil. So that's still pretty good. So that's how it came to free for me. It's just going to be a little bit of a cost for you, like under $7 or so, which is not bad for $60 worth of those products, right? Moving on to my third transaction, I picked up 2 of the Cetaphil 8.8 ounce creams at $12.49. And that price is the regular price. I didn't price modify because actually the online price, I don't even think I saw it, so it's okay, it's whatever. I needed that price anyway. Then the acne patches were $11.99 each, $3 coupons for those, $2 coupon for the Cetaphil, and my 10 off 40 I used. Okay, my subtotal came to $37.95. I did have to pay tax for this, actually for the lotions, so that was $1.38. My total was $39.33, and I got back $30 in bonus cash, so $9.33 for me, and I got back $8.25 plus $2.50 for Ibotta. So that makes it free for me, and I did get the 75-cent bonus too for that, so that was pretty awesome. Alright, and your total will be possibly $10 for that, so it's up to you. It's still pretty good if you use these items. Now moving on to these other ones, these are pretty expensive. These does go into the expensive category, so please be wary, guys. But I'm going to still explain it to you to see if you guys would like to do the deal. So the next transaction, I picked up 2 of the Cetaphil 8 ounce lotions at $12.99 each. I used $2 coupons for each of those, and then I picked up 3 of the different patches at $11.99 and used $3 coupons for those. 10 off 40 coupon, my subtotal came to $38.95, tax was $1.44, my total was $40.39 I paid in bonus cash. I got back $30 in bonus cash for that, so it is a cost of $10.39 for me. And I got back the, what was it, $8.25 for the Differin, and these little bottles give back $1.25. So yeah. Oh wait, I didn't submit any of these 3 transactions to Ibotta yet. Oops, sorry guys, I forgot. I'm going to be submitting this on Thursday because there's going to be a bonus that comes. I should get an additional $3 back with buying 3 products, so that's the bonus that I'm going to get back, so that's when I'm going to submit it. And hopefully everything resets pretty well, otherwise I'm going to be pretty mad. Alright, anyway. Yeah, so I should be getting back the $8.25 plus the $2.50, so that's going to make my transaction free. It's just going to be $10 for you if you do that deal. Moving on to the other Differin gel. This is more expensive. So I picked up the acne treatment at $20.99. I used a $3 coupon for that. I picked up the $15.99 Cetaphil 16-ounce body lotion, as you guys can see. I picked up the $11.99 patch with a $3 coupon, and then Cetaphil moisturizing lotion at $12.99, the small bottle that you see up front. So that's there, and then I used the $10 off 40 that the followers sent me. My subtotal came to $41.96. Tax was $1.61. Total was $43.57. Got back $30 in bonus cash. The cost is $13.57, but I will be getting back $275 and $275 and $125. So it's not going to be free, but it is pretty cheap. So as I said, like once I sell some of these products, that will cover the cost of what I paid, and I'm just happy that, you know, somebody else will get to use it, right? The last transaction, it turns out to be $20.99 for that. A different gel that you guys can see. I picked up the $15.99 body lotion, and then I picked up 2 cleansers that you see in blue at $12.99 each. $2 coupons for the Cetaphil, $3 for the Differin. My total was $43.96. Tax was $2.34. My God. And my total came to $46.30. Alright, and I got back $30 in bonus cash. Alright, so it's cost of $16.30, and I should be getting back $275 and $250. So it's not free again, but thinking about it, it is pretty cheap. So the last 2 transactions, if I sell the big bottles or maybe even the Differin, then it will just recover the cost and I'll be happy and I got everything for free. That's what I'm going to think of it as. So yeah, that's great and all. And I just want to let you guys know, if you have Shopmium, the Differin is on there as well as the Cetaphil. So, you know, if you don't have enough coupons or enough computers to print from or phone numbers, you know, you can at least utilize the Shopmium rebates, as well as if you have Swagbucks, MyPoints, Inbox Dollars, if you guys have not done that. Although it's been a challenge for those 3 apps. I just submitted them and they said that they could not find it on the receipt, which is a little weird. So there you go there, okay? Make sure that you are, you know, Swagbucks, MyPoints, and Inbox Stars, and Shopmium, those are all manufacturer coupons, so you cannot use it in conjunction with a paper coupon. I just want to emphasize that because I know someone's going to ask. But I just want to let you guys know, like, those are the apps that are available and what happened with those 2, because, you know, I do keep in touch with other people too, and they let me know about things, and I want to keep you guys up to date. So, pretty good deals with, you know, because I had the purchase-based coupon available to make it better. But even if you don't, these are still pretty good deals in the end. And even if you like try to sell one thing, or, you know, if you just want to give it away to someone that actually uses these products, it's really cheap gifts, you know, for back to school. Think about it like that. And you're paying under $5 for $60 worth of product. These are pretty expensive if someone tries to buy in the store just as it is. You know, so, and I don't know how people pay these insane prices in this day and age, but, you know, I'm really happy to get it for cheap to free in the end. So I just wanted to roll my bonus cash. That was the main goal, and now I'm a little relieved. It's just 2 cards still have bonus cash expiring again, so like $20 on each card, which is going to be a challenge to use by next week. I don't know if I can do anything this week with that. I don't know if I want to use another barcode. I mean, I can. I only use a circular barcode this week, so that's it. But anyway, pretty good deals. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks we'll get better deals, and we'll be able to roll those bonus cash rewards. So yeah. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to follow the Telegram group. Subscribe to the channel, YouTube channel if you haven't already. Follow my Instagram, Patel7Ravi7 as always. And yeah, I look forward to talking to you guys in the comments, or Telegram, or Instagram, wherever you can find me. Just be patient while I get things, you know, fixed over at my end. And anyway, I know it's slow right now at Rite Aid, but I just want to give you guys some enthusiasm to go into the store, at least do some deals, and, you know, get these items. Maybe you can use these in your Christmas baskets or something, you know. It'll come up one day or another, so it's good to have these things on hand. And beauty products are pretty nice to have anyway. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and please like the video, comment down below what deals you're doing this week if I missed anything else, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!